This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Dawn St. George. Discover this stunning first-floor corner unit 3-bedroom 2-bath condo with breathtaking views of the intercoastal. The open floor plan has plenty of natural light, spacious living area and seamless indoor-outdoor flow. This rare first-floor corner unit offers the perfect blend of comfort, convenience and coastal charm. Short distance from the inlet by boat. Local waterfront dining minutes away. Close to downtown with array of charming shops. With this ideal location, this property gives you easy access to everything that makes this area so desirable. This first-floor corner unit is truly a hidden gem. For more information, review the details below or contact Dawn St. George at 772-283-2800.